This one. The tires are rims. I got these massive tires and stuff. Supercharged. RHO. Man, this is nice LED light. Big tires and rims. Oh, that's not good. Oh, this is nice. Check this out. Ooh, wow. Let's sit in here. Oh, it smells good in here. Man. My car lost that smell a long time ago. Man, yeah, it sucks. Look at this right here. Wow. Check it out. Yeah, put the seats down. Stuck up. Okay. You can put like little things here. That's something different. Man. Bed liner. Got a bed liner in there. Nice. Ooh, check out that, dude. Ooh. Super clean. Look at that pockets on here. Wow, this is nice, man. It smells like alcohol. Smells weird. Look at this. I got the screen over here. The screen over here. Check that out. You got the over here. Wow. Check this out. Wow. Check it out. The grills right here. Hello.